Hello everyone, this is Raja here. Today I have got Casey with me. We're doing her first mock test. So let's see how Casey's feeling. Hi Casey, you okay?
Hi, I'm good, thank you.
Good. First mock test?
Hmm.
You will be fine.
I'm sure I will.
Good. How many lessons do you think you had with me?
Over 10 now. Started in about November, October time, wasn't it?
Yeah, and the COVID comes in and we had a
Yeah.
small gap. Okay, good. Do you feel confident doing your mock test today?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Now, quickly explain to you about the mock test. So if I give you no instructions, you always be going straight ahead. For the road markings or the signs, first 20 minutes we're going to follow the satellite navigation. Okay. If something is wrong on instruction or satellite, I will tell you what to do. Okay, because sometimes navigation didn't give you the correct information really. Okay. We will going to do one maneuver during your mock test. If we get time, we might do the emergency braking. It's all dependent on time. Okay. Any problem, any questions so far?
No, that's fine.
Show me and tell me questions. Are you doing it or
No, I'm going to start.
you're going to
doing
start doing it? Because I know your test is in May, am I right? So you have a lot of time, but start doing that practice as well. Okay. Right guys, so Casey, when she's doing her test, everything she's doing good, it will show up as a green. Any minor mistake will show up as amber, and any serious or the danger fault will show up as red. If you want more information from me, or if you want any mock test, please go into my Instagram and search Acorn School of Motoring, and you can send me a message over there. Right, Casey, so whenever you're ready, your mock test start now. Please drive off, and it's safe to do so, please.
Go left on the roundabout, first exit. Go right on the roundabout, third exit. Go left on the roundabout, first exit, then turn right. After 200 yards, turn right, then take the third right.
I want you to park your car to the left, please. Good, thank you. And then drive off again when it's safe to do so, please.
Go right on the roundabout, 4th exit.
It's third exit.
After 300 yards, turn right. Turn right. After 200 yards, turn left. Turn left.
Then I want you to park your car to the left, please. Thank you, and then drive off again when it's safe to do so, please.
Turn right, then turn left.
It's roundabout, we're turning left, please. First exit. The next roundabout, Casey, turn right. And once you turn right, is immediate left turn, please. Okay, so we're turning right and then left. Okay, Casey, I want you to pull over to the right side, please. Right side. Wherever is convenient and safe for you, please. Right, okay. So, Casey, I want you to do the maneuver, please. So, I want you to reverse back 2 cars length. Make sure keep your car reasonably close to the curb and do your observations before and during your maneuver, please, whenever you're ready. So, you done?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, fantastic. And then drive off whenever you're ready, please. The next roundabout, turn left, please. First exit. The next traffic light, turn right, please. The next roundabout, we're turning left, please. First exit. The next roundabout, I want you to go straight ahead, please. Second exit towards services. The next roundabout, we're turning left, please. First exit. The next roundabout, we're turning right. Third exit, please. Okay, Casey, that is your mock test finish over here. Well done, good. That's your test finish, Casey. How you think you did?
Felt like I might have hit a curb at one point.
So, if this is your real test, is it going to be a pass or fail? What do you
If I
think?
did hit the curb, it would have been a fail.
Okay, it's a very tough call. Because you didn't hit it that bad, it was just gentle graze. Examiners can give you benefit of doubt. There were no pedestrian that time, and we didn't risk anything at all. So you just simply you're controlling is coming in positioning. So a sensible examiner would give you a minor for that. Yes, if you would have hit the curb a couple of more times, there would have been a serious fault. So I am giving you a minor. So anything else apart from that?
When I was just coming back in then on that roundabout, I indicated right and I don't know, going left.
Is that a minor or serious?
Probably a minor.
Minor, okay. So all in all, I'm pleased to say you passed your test. Yes.
Don't I'll cry.
So you made all in all just 4 mistakes, okay. That was a very, very good effort. Well done.
Wow, I didn't expect that.
So number 1 is
Early signal.
early signal. Any idea where is it?
Was it just as I was coming out? Just as we
No.
were in?
So is the next roundabout when you turn left and when you turn right,
Yeah.
you have got a Mercedes-Benz showroom over there. You should have signaled after when you pass that, because if you signal early, people thinking you're going inside that showroom.
I wish
So-
I was going inside that.
Huh?
I wish.
So well, maybe once you pass, you can able to buy a
Go
car
buy.
from there. Right, that was the first minor mistake. The other one is slightly curb where you glaze over there. Now I made this line over here. This could be a problem for you for the long term. Infirmary, when you were turning right,
Yeah.
there is a box. You're supposed to go into the box before you turn right, isn't it? Yeah.
Did I go in too early?
No, you were in the box fine. There's only one box. Your positioning should have been in the middle of the box, but your positioning were like this. You're more into somebody else's lane. So the people who are going straight, they have to go more to the left to go around you. So make sure the box is there for a purpose. So your car have to be fully merged inside the box so other roads can go past. So that is the only problem I have. And the other one is just wrong signal on M65. Yeah, you don't need to, because you're going straight, you don't want to signal right, isn't it? Yeah. So 4 mistakes. Very, very pleased. First ever mock test. You done very well. So good. Happy with that?
Thank you. Yeah, I am. I'm thrilled.
Good. Overall, you're doing very good. Just keep doing this. Don't get overconfidence. Okay. So are you happy for me to put this video on the YouTube?
I'm happy.
Right. Okay. Right. Well done. So that's about it for today. Thanks guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the Casey mock test. She done very well. And keep watching my channel please for the future point of view. Thank you very much. Thumbs up for my channel, and do subscribe my channel please. Thank you very much. See you in the next